In today's episode, I'm showing you real life. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm sharing today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. Now, this past weekend, I wasn't feeling that good on doing the kitchen, so this kitchen looks a hot mess. So, accountability, I put the camera on the stand and said, okay, I'm going to film me in this kitchen to make sure I clean it today. So my goal today is to get this kitchen straight. Even though I'm still not feeling good, but this kitchen looks horrible. So I'm going to turn you around and let you see what real life is at my home. Now, don't judge me. Yes, I did go to bed every night and had rough nights because I wasn't feeling good. Like last night, didn't feel good. So I'm going to switch you around and let you see this kitchen. Now I know the shame. I've been sick for a couple of days, so I would come in here and try to cook something for us to eat, but then I would get sick while I was cooking, so it is what it is. This kitchen is a hot mess. I know it, but that's what we're going to try to remedy today by getting this to look like a kitchen like it's supposed to. So, step back, don't judge. You know you have your moments too. And we're going to get started on putting this kitchen back to looking like a decent kitchen. So here we go. later. Alright. Okay, bye. Yeah, I know this looks stupid, but I don't want to get my watch wet, and I need to go ahead and knock these dishes out. So okay, this side of the kitchen is clean. The island is clean. I finished washing the dishes that were in the little bit that I had left over there. I thought the camera was on while I was cleaning up over there, but I've cleaned off the counter. Over there has been cleaned off. And then I did the coffee station is clean. So all I'm waiting for is I'm going to dry some of those off and put those up. And then this kitchen will be finished. Now, when you see this here, I put this basket together to make it easy for my husband to reach certain things while he's in the wheelchair. So that will stay there. It's in the basket. That's it. But everything else I have to do. Haven't decorated the tier tray yet, but the things are laying there. Some of the things, some may make it, some may not. But that'll be coming up soon. But I did get the dishes put away. So one thing to mark off my list of my to-do was to get the kitchen clean. So I'll see you in the next cleaning video. Bye-bye.